In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace background in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know how to take any photo, remove its background cleanly, and place your subject on a new scene using built-in options or generative AI, all inside Adobe Express. Start by opening Adobe Express, either on the web or in the mobile app. You can open an existing project if you've already started designing, or create a fresh one on a blank canvas. If you're beginning from scratch, pick a canvas size that suits where you'll share the final design, like a social post or a presentation slide. Next, bring in the image whose background you want to change. You can upload a new photo or select an image that's already part of your design. For the best results, choose a clear, high-resolution photo where your subject stands out from the background. Good lighting and contrast make the removal cleaner and faster. With your image selected, look for the image panel on the side and click Remove Background. Adobe Express will use AI to isolate your subject and make the background transparent. Give it a moment to process. If you notice small areas around hair, edges, or fine details that need cleanup, use the Erase and Restore brushes to refine the cutout. Adjust the brush size for precision, zoom in to tricky edges, and toggle between erasing stray pixels and restoring parts of the subject that were accidentally removed. Now it's time to add a new background. Click Add a Background. This opens the full Express editor with several options. You can choose ready-made Adobe Express backgrounds and templates, which are organized by themes and styles. You can upload your own image to use as a background, perfect for brand visuals or custom scenes. Or you can use generative AI with Firefly to create a brand new background by typing a description. Be specific in your prompt. Mention the setting, mood, lighting, and color palette to get results that match your subject. Once your background is in place, position and size it so it fills the canvas, and arrange your subject above it. If needed, soften the background slightly with a blur to create depth and draw attention to the subject. You can also fine-tune colors and brightness so the lighting on your subject and the background feel cohesive. For Firefly results, try a couple of variations and pick the one that fits your design best. That's it. You've removed the original background and replaced it with a new scene in Adobe Express, ready for use in your design or content.